some historical facts that will...
Hi, RJ.
Hi, John. Wait, why are you talking to me?
For over a decade, I have been known somewhat against my will as the history guy on YouTube. I wore the polos, I mispronounced Levant, I gestured vaguely at maps, and I was very, very excited to tell you about the Mongols. But now it's your turn, RJ. I've seen your videos about history and social media, and yes, even Wordle, and I want you to be a host of our brand new series, The History Show.
Wait, you want me to host? Yeah?
You don't sound so sure.
Sorry, yes, I would be honored. I actually already built out a set and everything. So, welcome to The History Show, where we're not talking about the same old stories you've heard 1,000 times. No, we're gonna be unearthing some of the weirdest, grittiest, most bananas, sometimes literally bananas, madcap, forgotten, how the heck did we not learn this in school type of stories. Like how one pope dug up the body of another dead pope and then put that dude's corpse on trial just out of spite. Or how a Soviet squadron of women terrorized Nazi forces in Eastern Europe during World War II. Or how a pirate queen you've never heard of before basically took over all of the South China Sea and then pretty much just retired peacefully in the Chinese province of Guangdong.
Oh, I love this, RJ. I love this for you, and I love this for history.
Thank you, John. I'll take it from here for a while.
Is it Levant or is it Levant?
Oh man, it's Levant, John. Levant. We've been through this 1,000 times.